Do you ever wonder what things people are searching on Google in the United States and other parts of the world for the most? In fact, every place has different search trends, but there are also some common things that are searched for all over the world. Knowing about these search trends is beneficial in too many ways. For example, marketers can get an idea of what products people are most interested in. We can know about the search trends with the help of different tools, but using these tools isn't so simple. Further, they aren't free and can charge you a big chunk of money to use their service. But don't worry, we have got you. You will learn all about these things in today's video. You're watching YouTube channel Let's Get Techie. In today's video, we are going to talk about Google search trends and what does the public searches on Google. So make sure to watch the entire video. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Getting back to the video, more than 3.5 billion searches are being processed every single day by Google Search. It is the website that receives the most visits from users all over the world and has a market share of 92% among all search engines worldwide. The PageRank priority ranking algorithm is used by Google to help determine the order in which search results are shown to the user. Google Search also offers a wide variety of specialized interactive experiences, such as flight status and package tracking, weather forecasts, currency, unit, and time conversions, word definitions, and more. These interactive experiences can be accessed by using symbols to include, exclude, specify, or require certain search behavior. Google Search also provides many different options for customized searches. Moving forward to the search results, the first thing that people search most on Google worldwide is YouTube, with a search volume of 1,163,000,000. If you don't know about search volume, then here is some quick info. The search volume of a particular keyword reveals the average number of times that it is looked up on Google each month. The statistic that we are going to talk about is an annual average, because the demand for searching a wide variety of terms tends to change from month to month. So, after YouTube, the next thing with a high search rate is Facebook, with a search volume of 1,033,000,000. Also, remember that different apps show different data. However, the difference is not that significant, so if you have something else in your app, it is due to this fact. The next important thing we have is Amazon, with a search result of 348 million. Apart from that, some of the other highly searchable things are Google Translate, ClickBuzz, Yahoo Mail, Weather Tomorrow, Yandex, Walmart, eBay, BBC News, Home Depot, and Amazon Prime. When it comes to questionnaire search results, the data is too much different. There we can't see these keywords. Let's take a look at what people are curious about and what things to know from Google. Among the questions people ask on Google include the following. The high-volume search question in this regard is how many ounces in a cup? Up to 6,400,000 people search for these things annually on Google. And you will be surprised that the next question most people search for is something like a dumb question. It is what to watch. Seriously, a large number of people, around 4,700,000, search for this on Google to get an idea about what to watch. Moving forward, there are also questions like, what dinosaur has 500 teeth? How late is the closest grocery store open? How many centimeters is an inch? And even 1,800,000 people check time on Google by searching what time is it. Other things that 1,100,000 people worldwide search for include what my IP address is, where I am, and how many weeks there are in a year. How to make banana bread is also searched for by 979,000 people, as is where does vanilla flavoring come from by 965,000. In fact, people search for everything on Google because the Google search engine is too user-friendly, and its artificial intelligence is much more effective in providing the best possible answer. That's why more and more people turn towards Google to inquire about everything instead of the traditional method of asking around. Let's take a look at some more things people are searching for on Google. How many days until Christmas with search results of 711,000? What song is this? How to lose weight quickly? How many liters are in a gallon? How to tie a tie? How many ounces in a pound? What is the meaning of? Kind of questions. When is Easter? Why is Russia invading Ukraine? What is Bitcoin? What is an NFT? How many calories are in an apple? How many people are in the world? How many grams in a kilo? And how many feet in a mile? The results of a Google search are presented on a collection of regionally specific websites. The Google site, which is one of the most popular websites in the world, is the most popular website overall. It provides a link to the search results using its proposed spelling, the ability to filter results to a date range, and many more features. Some of its features include a definition link for most searches, including dictionary words, the number of results you got on your search, links to other searches. For example, for words that Google believes to be misspelled, it provides a link to the search results using its proposed spelling. So, how could you look for Google search results? You will need to employ a keyword searching platform of some kind. Therefore, sign into your Keywords Explorer using SEMrush, Ahrefs, or any other platform of your choosing. You may easily find several of them by searching the internet. After you have successfully logged in, select Google as the search engine. Ensure that the search field is empty, and then click the search button. You will see a list of every keyword in its database for the country you choose, in order of how often it is searched for each month. If you need to find out which keywords are the most popular in another country. If so, you can pick from among more than 200 countries in the database at the same time. You may also explore the most popular searches on any subject by using the Keyword Ideas reports in Keywords Explorer. For instance, if you conduct a search for Facebook and then navigate to the Matching Terms report, you will receive 1 million other keyword ideas for the same phrase, all of which are arranged according to the volume of monthly searches. If you own a website where people can leave reviews of movies, it will come in very handy for you. You may find the shows that people desire reviews for the most by applying a filter to the search results that looks for queries including the term review. Last but not least, there are a few possible explanations for why you are not seeing search queries pertaining to a particular subject. One of the things that Google does is implement a limited set of removal policies for content that includes pornography, violent content, and hate speech. It's important to remember that getting rid of questions from autocomplete is not as easy as just putting certain words and phrases on a blacklist. When it comes to search, Google processes more than 1 billion queries every single day. As a result of this, Google employs an algorithmic strategy for deletions, and just like its search engines, this strategy is not without flaws. Even though Google is always trying to improve its way of removing suggestions from autocomplete and pays close attention to what its users have to say. The algorithms used by Google examine not only individual words, but also compound requests that are based on those words, and they do this across all languages. For this reason, for instance, if there is an offensive word in Russian, Google may decide to eliminate a compound word that includes the English translation of the Russian word. Additionally, it examines the search results themselves in response to the provided questions. For instance, if the search results for a given query appear to contain pornographic content, the company's algorithms may exclude that query from autocomplete, even if the query itself would not otherwise be in violation of the company's regulations. This method is neither perfect nor instant, but Google is working hard to make it better in both ways. That's all for today's video, guys. What do you think of today's video? Tell us your views in the comment section. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Until then, best wishes.